As an engineer within the Samoa Water Authority, it's reality. It's a life without limits. We locate and test available sources, integrate rigorous theory and design, incorporate calculation and mapping. We install giant treatment plants and deal with chlorination process to remove contaminants in your water. Purchase water pipes, materials and fittings of all sizes that suit Samoan weather and lay numerous pipeline networks. Implement and monitor every aspect of water projects. Carry out system maintenance, accomplish family new connections, install meter for monitoring water usage, disconnect when you don't pay your bills.
Come and join a cohesive team environment.
It's a challenging and rewarding role.
It's a good opportunity to develop your engineering career.
Be part of a well-established and growing organization.
If you have the ambition to develop a career in engineering at Samoa Water Authority, simply send your CV to email address hr@swa.gov.ws or consult our friendly HR team at our main office, Savalalo.
Leading provider of water and wastewater treatment technologies. Samoa Water Authority.